Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can update your drivers in Windows 10 guys. So let's get started with this tutorial. So the first thing what you have to do is you can right click on your Windows Start button and just click on Device Manager. Or you can just simply left click on Windows and search in their Device Manager. Yeah, just there. Just click on that, single click on that, and there are two ways you can open Device Manager. And now as you can see guys, these are all my devices currently in my computer. So if I go to my display adapters, I can see my graphic card over here, Vega 11 graphics. So what I can do is I can just right click on it and click on update driver, and you can just select this search automatically, so it will search automatically for the best driver for your computer. Or if you have downloaded from the website itself your driver, so you can just manually browse your software and install it accordingly in your drive. So yeah, you can do like that as well. There are many other things you can do, like add network adapters. There are many network adapters, and also there are many other things which you can update. So just click on the small arrow and more of the softwares will just show it to you, and then you can just update them. I hope that this straightforward tutorial was really helpful for you. If this tutorial helped you, then please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends so they can be helped as well. And if you like my content until now, then please do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content just like this. So I'll take my leave now guys. I am AustinEndO here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care everybody.